Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kyodokan. I'm Ryusei. Today I'm going to make Goya champuru. Goya champuru is a traditional food in Okinawa, and I often make it in summer. Do you know Okinawa? Okinawa is southern part in Japan, and it's very famous for beautiful ocean and beach. Moreover, Okinawa Prefecture has a culture, customs, and dialect that's slightly different from other prefectures. Because long years ago, Okinawa was exposed to diverse cultures through trade with China, Korea, and Southeast Asia. This is a reason why Okinawa has built original and special culture. I hope this video will be interesting and enjoyable for you. Yes, let's go! This is a shima tofu. Shima tofu is traditionally made in Okinawa. Actually, it's very similar to farm tofu, which is called momen tofu in Japan. But these methods are different. Today I'm going to use shima tofu, but you can use farm tofu instead of shima tofu. First, I cut it into half like this. And I'm going to remove a bit moisture from shima tofu. If we skip it, shima tofu will be broken while I stir fry, and it will bring out the water to the pan and dilute the flavor. I place them on a kitchen paper. And I also place kitchen paper on tofu. And then I'm going to place a tray and pile a plate as a weight. I let it stand for a while. This is Goya in Japanese. Is it called bitter melon in English? It's from Okinawa as well. First, I'm going to cut the both sides off shortly. And then I divide it into half. Okay, and I'm going to get rid of the seed with a spoon. And I remove the remaining spongy part. Okay, beautiful. I do the same thing the other one as well. Nice. I clean my cutting board. And then I'm going to slice them. I slice it about 5mm intervals. Like this. I slice all of them in the same. Okay, I've done cutting. And I'm going to transfer them to a bowl. Okay, I'm going to add salt to them. And mix them. And then I add salt again to them. I mix them with my hand to distribute salt to them. Good. I stand them for about 15 minutes. And then I'm going to return to shima tofu. I remove the tray and plate. And a sheet of kitchen paper as well. I transfer tofu to the cutting board. I removed the water from shima tofu, and the flavor of shima tofu is concentrated. Then I tear it off by hand. Teared tofu absorbs the flavor of other ingredients more easily. Okay? Good. 15 minutes later, I'm going to squeeze the excess water out. Actually, Goya doesn't have much water, but this work is very important because the excess water dilutes the flavor, and this Goya will go well with other ingredients well. Goya had water like this. Okay. Next, I'm going to cut pork belly into bite-sized pieces. I cut about 3 to 4 centimeters. Good, I've done cutting. And then I crack an egg into the bowl. And I beat it well. Okay, I'll use it after that, so I keep it at room temperature. Okay, let's stir fry shima tofu first. I add sesame oil to the pan, and add shima tofu as well. Nice. I stir fry them until they brown lightly. I add a pinch of salt and stir fry over medium heat. I don't turn over them to brown them beautifully. A few minutes later, I turn over them. Nice. Please stir fry till they become like this. Then I add the pork belly to the pan. And I loosen pork carefully and quickly. Once I loosen the pork, I sprinkle a pinch of salt. And I stir fry them. Okay, once pork is cooked, I add the Goya as well. And stir fry. I like crunchy texture of Goya, so I cook them in short. Once I stir fry for a few minutes, I add 10 grams of soy sauce. And mix them as soon as possible to distribute the flavor to all ingredients. The smell is great. Looks so delicious. And then I turn down the heat to low and I pour the egg mixture to the pan. I pour it in a circular motion. Okay, and mix them. I turn up the heat to medium-high and I stir fry them until egg will be cooked. Finally, I add bonito flakes and mix them to distribute the flavor as well. Perfect. Looks so tasty. I turn off the heat and let's arrange it on a plate. Goya champuru is done. Let's eat it while it's warm. Thank you. Did you enjoy? Today I introduced a traditional food in Okinawa. Actually in Japan, there are so many traditional foods. And I'd like to introduce much more Japanese traditional foods with maps. I'm very happy if you travel in Japan. These kinds of information will be useful for you. Thank you for watching to the end. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Have a nice day. See you later.